sun is not yet shining. Baka maya-maya pa siya ng konti. Medyo makulimlim tayo today. Tuesday. Oh, look at the hair of Erel. Oh, mukha siyang gift. May ribbon. Gusto daw niyang mag-headband today. So, wow, so pretty naman.
Bukas different
Pop,
headband.
oh.
Bukas different size.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bukas naman, different bow yung ilalagay niya. May color naman.
Pwede namin itanggal. Kasi may butas.
Kahapon class picture nila, may absent daw na dalawa.
Tatlo.
Ay, tatlo. So sad. Hindi kayo kumpleto sa class
Hindi.
picture.
They put a poster like
Ah, may poster pa rin na may face nila.
hindi. Parang ganito ka. Pamela FC. Three absent. Kai, Shana, Athena. Yun.
They just put the names.
We put a di ba we hold the paper, it says teacher comes in. And then it says three absent. Then the name.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Let's wait for na lang for the class picture.
Bye.
Bye. Be good in school,
Bye.
Arela.
School.